Welcome to the Company Value Investor channel. In today's video, I am going to analyze and focus on the Starbucks Corporation. Remember, the way that I'm going to do it is I'm going to focus on the company itself, not the stock, and I am going to conduct fundamental analysis, meaning I am going to analyze the company's financial statements. The ticker for Starbucks Corporation is SBUX. The current price is $57 per share. The 52-week low is $50. 52-week high is $61. This is the current information for the Starbucks Corporation. On this side we have the ratios that a lot of the financial gurus use. And here we have the four sectors that I use to analyze corporations. Here we have the percentage that the company must earn to meet the expectations of both the creditors and the owners. And this section is the amount of capital that the company must earn in order to meet its current obligations. A positive number shows an excellent performer. Here we have the company's real earnings, not the net profit, but its real earnings. And the last one, the fourth one, is the amount of capital that the company needed to maintain in order to stay in operations. So in 2016, the Starbucks rate was 14, almost 15%, so they needed to make at least 15%, 14.74, in order to meet their creditors and owners. The amount is a positive for the company's earned on obligations, meaning that it was an excellent performer. The real earnings for the Starbucks company is also positive too. The amount is a -6. This is a good sign. We have two positives. Even though they don't surpass the -6, they still shows promising results. In 2015, 16%. Again, another positive number. That's good. The real earnings won. The amount for -5. So we have again two positives, one negative. 2014, 16%, 7, 1, -4. Still good. We've still had two positives, one negative. 2013, they had a rough year. 16%, -1, -4. 2013 is a bad year, but 2014 is a good year, 2015 is a good year, and 2016 is a good year. 3 out of the 4 years, the Starbucks company had positives on this section and here, which tells me that they were performing, they were well managed, they were performing very well. And at the end, if I was to invest in this company, I would invest, only because even though their amount needed for daily operations was a little high, they show that they know how to manage the company. 3 out of the 4 years, they have positives here and here. So at the end, they were meeting the expectations of both creditors and owners. They were making real money for the company. And this basically tells me that their expenses are a little high, but they're still a very good and well-managed company. So the question is, would I invest in the Starbucks company? Yes, I would. It is a good company. 3 out of the 4 years, they did very well. So again, I would invest in this company. Thank you for your time, and as always, keep investing.